Where we're at today is one of a number of sites throughout Auckland where the guys are working fundamentally 24/7 to replace rail that has worn over the past couple of years. What we've been doing today is welding up bits and pieces of rail. There's some sleepers being replaced and various works like that. In other parts of Auckland we've got jobs on what's called the third main and also the electrification Papakura and Pt5, and more or less the same sort of work bank happening in Wellington as well. We've got a number of the tracks shut down. We're doing the traction overhead into Wellington and various tracks works as well. The guys have been going on this now for about 4 months. This particular job here that we're at, it's across the whole of the network. We're shutting the big chunks of it down for a period. As I said, replacing the rails and other maintenance. It's a once in a generational replacement job we're doing here. The overall goal is to have the network in as good a condition as possible for when the City Rail Link tunnel opens, that the rest of the network is in the same condition as the City Rail Link, so we get the maximum value out of that investment.